Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage privacy and permissions in apps on the INFINIX Note Edge. So if you want to manage the way your apps handle your data and manage permissions, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Settings app, and then we're going to scroll down to App Management, then App List, and here we're going to select the app that we want to manage. So for example, let's do Facebook. So here we have Facebook, or actually let's pick a different app that actually has some permissions because that one was empty. So there we go, let's do Chrome, for example. So here we have the Permissions tab. We're going to tap on that, and here we have permissions that are allowed and not allowed. So here we go to the allowed section, and we can select the permission and then enable or disable it. So we can do either allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. So if you want to fully turn it off, enable don't allow. And then we also have other permissions where it's pretty much the same thing. You can tap on them and then enable them or disable them. And we also have manage app if unused. So this is an option where if you do not use that app, it's going, if you don't use it for a long time, it's going to just disable some permissions mostly, and delete temporary files, stop notifications, and archive the app. So I recommend enabling this option. So for example, if you have an app that you're not using anymore and it's still using your permissions, it's going to get disabled. And that is pretty much it. That is how you do it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.